Right, let's make some kimchi stew. Sesame oil. Touch of that bad boy. Obviously a bit of kimchi. Yeah. Spring onions. Bit of garlic. Ooh. She is getting fragrant. Next I'm going to put in some gochugaru or Korean chili flakes. And a bit of gochujang. Woo! Ooh yeah, sizzle, sizzle. Next thing goes your water. Not traditional, but I'm going to put in some chicken powder. Couple lumps of rock sugar. The protein I'm going with tuna, because you know, man can't be doing pork belly on a weeknight. Have a people up, have a bloody people up. And just let that simmer for like 10 minutes. Man's going to take the bins out. Next thing goes the tofu. Just make sure that's all submerged, you know. Mmm, spicy. Y'all know that's good, y'all know that's good. Lastly, some spring onions. Woo! Look at that! Look at that! Don't that look good? Right, I'm eating this straight out of the pan. Shall I piss off a whole country? Don't get mad with me, Korea, but I like mine with a bit of lemon. I know. I'm cancelled. I'm cancelled in Korea, I know. You won't even let me watch Singles Inferno now, will you? Ooh. Get your bit of rice. Dip that in. Hot. Hot. Ooh, so good though. So good. That's spicy. A little bit of tuna, a little bit of tofu. That shit good. That shit good.